everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3 mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today I have a little doggy. And we need to give this poor little doggy a home. That's why today, for our 3 mini build, we're going to be making this kennel. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 6x6 standard base plate. I'm using dark green, and we're going to make our matting. So a jumper plate, a 1x2 tile, and a 2x2 tile. This is going to be the matting for our dog's kennel. And now we're going to make the walls. So just standard bricks. I'm starting off with 1x3 bricks over here, a 1x2 brick back here, and a 1x1 brick over here. But at the back here, I'm going to be adding this brick, this side attachment brick, and I will show you what will happen later. But for now, we are going to be continuing building our walls. So a 1x4 brick over here, a 1x4 brick over here, and a 1x2 brick over here. And now we're going to be adding, well, the kind of roofing. So we're going to be using inverted roof tiles to give a little overhang of the roof already, and a 1x4 standard brick at the back. So now we're going to be making the roof. So a 2x3 standard base plate at the back here, and a side attachment plate inverted upwards over here at the front, and just normal 1x4 standard base plates over here to fill in the grey. Then we have a little grey to our roof, and now we're just going to add basic roof tiles. Red I'm using to finish it off. It looks like a really nice little house now. So now we're going to be adding the decoration. So I'm going to get a 1x2 tile over here. This is going to act as kind of like the label of our dog's kennel, and we're going to be adding some flowers. So I'm just going to stick little flower pieces, one over here and one over here, like so. And now we're going to be using this side attachment brick back here. We're going to be adding a bit more foliage, so I'm going to be using this extended leaf piece and 3 of these flowers. So I'm going to stick one flower over here, one flower over here, one flower over here, like so. And I'm gonna stick the base of it to here. So now we have a little bit of, I don't know, ivy growing up here. Turn it around, and there we've done it. So there we have it. Our dog kennel is complete. This is the, well, as I will always say with lots of my videos, these are very basic designs done in less than 3 minutes. So you can add much more detail to the dog kennel if you want to pamper your dog even more. But remember, it needs to supply as a dog kennel. So I brought a little dog here, and you see this stud over here. This works with the standard dog that they have at the moment, and it just slots in with his front legs, and there he's sticking his head out. As I told you, it's a very simple design, so he cannot really go in much. He can only stick his head out, but I suppose that's all we need at the moment. But anyway, that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!